Hello everyone, greetings. I am Vinayak Sakpute and welcome to the Fireside Chat. Today I am joined by my colleague Sajid. Hi Sajid.
Hey Vinayak, hey everyone. My name is Sajid and I'm the product manager for Mosaic Catalog. And Vinayak and I are part of LTI Mosaic's product engineering unit. We build products that help transform data and you can make decisions and take actions on that. So Mosaic products are currently innovating in data, AI, analytics, and automation space. But today, we are really excited to share some great news about Mosaic Catalog. And I'm sure that it's going to be a very transformative and innovative experience for all our customers.
Certainly, speaking of transformations, we are all living in the age of transformations of all kinds. Specifically, with digital transformations, all the data driven enterprises are struggling to extract the value out of their assets. If you just Google the term asset, you are likely to get more than 2.3 billion results. Did you know that, Sajid?
No, no, certainly not. I mean, I think that itself is an asset in it.
Absolutely. That result is also an asset. So, what is an asset? In the simplest terms, an asset is anything and everything which represents value to the enterprise. The value itself could be economic in nature or informative in nature. It could be a present day value or a future day value. In however it may be, it is very important that the enterprises have the right tools and the products to extract most of these assets. They all have two goals: findability of an asset and usability of an asset. How do I find the right asset? How do I use the right asset? Who should use that asset? These are the common struggles that enterprises have today to make the most out of their assets.
So I think to add to Vinayak, for all these data-driven enterprises, I think Mosaic Catalog is very well designed for such organizations, and the Catalog 2.0 basically is helping currently our customers to create the cataloging infra and the intelligence around those assets to make it more simple, intuitive, and create a contextual interface to access for each of their personas. Uh, but I think all these said, uh, we have also done an extensive research and multiple customer interactions, and we realize this is not enough now. I mean, the customers are expecting more from data, um, not just the quality of data, but also the whole data journey, and we are trying to align our vision to data fabric kind of a concept.
Did you just mention data fabric in a catalog space?
Exactly. Yes. Yes, Vinayak. Because if I put definition, how does the definition of data fabric is? It's about having all things in one place into an integrated architecture layer. Now that connects data and all the data analytical processes under one roof. Data fabric actually uses existing metadata assets and supports the design, deployment, and actually proper utilization of your data across all the environments, all the platforms globally. So if I have to connect back to catalog, how I can say is, um, from the catalog 2.0's strong foundation, it was natural that we leverage that and we evolve as a data fabric platform. There are multiple benefits. We would see a rapid increase in connectivity, better accessibility of the data, and having things more real time, and that's actually makes the data journey more easy and seamless.
So true. The benefits far outweigh the need to have a data fabric in place. And that's exactly what we are here to share with you today. Catalog 3.0 is the new, improved, enhanced version of the already successful Catalog 2.0. It now follows the motto: right data at right time for the right people. It's so important that it bears and deserves a repetition. Right data at right time for the right people. We're following this motto throughout the new Catalog 3.0. It's a single pane view of all enterprise assets, intelligence assets spread globally, just like a data fabric has. It has various features that cater to various personas in a data driven enterprises. You have data scientists, business analysts, data stewards, data owners. Specifically, data scientists and data stewards, they would appreciate the key features of Catalog 3.0, the semantic faceted research facilities, then the cognitive search capabilities,
Mhm.
in-depth data profile, meticulous data quality measures are very interesting features.
I
And
think
now,
uh, just to cut you short, Vinayak, the way we also have thought is not just technical users. This data scientists and data owners basically are the going to interact with data completely in and out with more technical aspect of it. But from the business analyst perspective, or from the personas who are non-technical, I think for them as well we have made life really easy, because they'll just have to scheme through the data. They have to understand what data they need to work on, and directly plug and play with the multiple dashboarding tools like Power BI, Tableau, and other things, other dashboarding tools basically. So I think that actually makes their life really simple and easy. I think data owner also plays well with the journey, right, Vinayak?
absolutely, data owner would find it really easy and intuitive to play with the assets, right? From publishing the assets and controlling the access for such assets through the easy to use governance policies and access controls.
Yeah, yeah.
And all of this has come through technological advancements that we have made so far. You spoke about the seamless integration with third party applications and tools. That's one of the strengths of the catalog. And not just that, we have made it much faster to discover the assets, to implement the governance policies and the access controls. And you mentioned about the business users who thrive on collaboration aspect, right, Sajid?
Exactly, exactly. And to take it one step further, what we imagined the product was, Catalog 3.0 is really empowered by the ML capabilities for assisting these users, not only to have auto recommendations, auto tagging, and auto relationships, but also actually extracting the knowledge, and the knowledge nuggets, or basically I would say entities from the data after crawling it. And these are all supported by knowledge graphs that we use. So eventually it will help in building collaborative way of interacting with data, and also creating a knowledge community within the own enterprise. So I think the aim is to make it more autonomous, self intelligence layer on the product, and actually extending this whole ontology and taxonomy to with all the aspects of our data. And I believe it's not just that, right? There are a lot of technical enhancements and milestones that we have accomplished.
Certainly, the taking your point forward on the collaborative angle, there are certain technological advancements that we see. Ask an expert, rating systems, comments, hashtags, tags. Those help to find the data and share that with the colleagues who have similar intentions to extract the most value out of your assets. Speaking of other advancements, we have enabled much faster discovery, seamless integration with third party applications, not to mention, and we have also implemented a new KPI framework for the data quality measures. We have reimagined the entire lifecycle management of queries and the KPI APIs that we have in our product. The users can now define additional attributes dynamically. Thanks to the new microservices architecture, the Catalog 3.0 is much lighter on its infrastructure footprint. It's needless to mention that Catalog is agnostic to the cloud service provider. It's scalable, highly available, and equally powerful on on-premise deployments also.
Wow, this really sound interesting, Vinayak, and I'm sure everybody will like once we launch the product. So I think without further ado, Vinayak,
Sajid and I here proudly announce the launch of our Catalog 3.0.
3.0.
Let's take a quick look.
That's really super and impactful, and I'm sure everybody will like the new catalog that we are trying to build. And please do reach out for any comments or inquiries that you have, or you would like to understand more about our product. We'll be more than happy to give details and work with you together.
Certainly, we are all super excited, and we want to thank you for participating in the launch of the new catalog with us. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, and have a
Have a
great day
great day.
ahead.